Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I will show you how to make Listicle Invideo. In order to do this, first of all navigate to ai.invideo.io. Now you will have to just give Invideo AI a prompt to create a listicle video. So in order to give it a prompt, you'll have to navigate to Invideo AI, place your cursor in this section and type in create a listicle video. Now you'll have to enter on what topic you want your listicle video to be. So I want my listicle video to be on travel. So I will type in create a listicle video about travel in 2024. Now click on generate a video. After you click on generate a video, this will take you to this page. On this page, you'll have to choose audience, look and feel and platform. So I have these options. But then my audience is travel enthusiasts, adventure seekers or holiday planners. So my audience is adventure seekers. Now choose the look and feel for your video. So I'm going to choose inspirational. Now choose the platform. I will choose YouTube and I will click on continue. Now when I click on continue, Invideo AI will generate a fine piece for my listicle video. And after it's done, you will be notified through your email that your video has been completed. So that's the simple way through which you can create listicle videos on Invideo. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.